Hello, friends. This is Veronica. It's cafecito time, and I have for you today how to froth milk with an Aeroccino by Nespresso to get the perfect, beautiful lattes and cappuccinos at home. Love it. Hello, it's cafecito time. This is Veronica, and I'm back with my channel, House of Cid, and today I have some more fun coffee stuff to show you. Today I want to talk to you about this little machine I have called the Nespresso Aeroccino 3. So this is a milk frother because you can't have yummy coffee like cappuccinos and lattes unless you have yummy milk that's frothed and foamy. So yeah, today let's talk about how to use this machine. You don't necessarily need a frother to foam and froth your milk, but this machine makes it super easy and comes out super good. So I'm going to show you how to use it. This is just the box. But here you can see all the types of drinks you can make. Some people like a lot of foam, some people like a little bit of foam, so you can always adjust your drink the way you like it. And this is what it looks like. Aeroccino 3. And it's pretty simple, basic machine. Has a lid, you open it up, you pour your milk of choice. It has a little whisk thing here. You see, this is where the magic happens, where the milk gets all frothy and foamy. And that's it. And it has a base, so you do have to plug it in. You put the machine on the base, pour your milk, lid, and that's it. So let me show you what that looks like. One thing I do like about this machine is you can froth your milk cold. I don't really see why you would want cold frothed milk. But if you want it cold, you can. And hot, it'll also heat up your milk for sure. It doesn't heat it up super duper hot, but I don't think you're supposed to froth milk really super duper hot. But let's get to it and show you what it looks like. So there is 2 lines in the machine. Indicator lines, it'll tell you how much to fill up. The first line is for the foam. If you want a lot of foam or mostly foam, you fill it up to the first line. It's hard to see in there, but there are lines in there. And then the second line is for mostly milk with not so much foam. And that's probably something you would use for a latte. Also important when you use the Aeroccino is not to fill it up too high. If you go past the top fill line, you can spill your milk. So we don't want that. So let's fill it up. So there's the milk. And I just want to show you how to use it if you want cold. So if you want your milk not heated up, you hold it 2 times. 1, 2, and you see the light turn blue. So 2 seconds, press it down, and when the light turns blue, you know that it is frothing the milk and it'll be cold. And there it is. I'll show you what it looks like. And you can stop at any time. You don't have to wait for the process. So I'll show you what it looks like cold. Comes out pretty good. So milk, and then you get the foam. Voila. Now let's do hot. And you can use any type of milk. You don't need to use dairy. You can use any milk alternative. But some milks don't froth as well as others. Like some almond milks, for some reason, don't froth that much. I believe it's the fat content, because a lot of the milk alternatives don't really have a lot of fat, so that will not make them get really frothy and foamy. So just so you know. But we will try again, this time hot. So that's it. And hot is even super easy. You just press it one time. It will turn red, and there you go. You will get hot, frothy milk for your cafecito. Press it once, and that's it. Once the light turns red, it'll froth and warm up the milk, and you'll be ready to make your coffee. And then once you have your milk ready to go, you can decide how you want to make your coffee. You can either pour the milk in your cup first and then add your coffee, your shot of espresso, depending on if you're making a cappuccino, latte, whatever drink you're making. Or you can brew your coffee in your cup and then pour the milk. I personally like to put the milk first. So it's done. And you will see how super duper foamy it comes out. There it is. Look at all that beautiful foam. And it's a little steamy because it does come out a little hot. So like I said, I like to pour my milk. Pour my milk and then brew my coffee. So there you go. That's all you have to do to froth your milk with the Aeroccino. So let's take a look. And this is why I like to do it this way. This is why I like to froth my milk and then brew my coffee over it, because it'll give you those beautiful layers. Look at how easy. So there you go. You have beautiful frothy milk for your coffee, for your cappuccino, for your latte. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If they love coffee as much as I do and you do, please share these videos. It really helps us out. And once again, I hope you have subscribed to the channel. If you're new, thank you, welcome. And if you've been here for a while, let me know what you're thinking about these videos. Also, I want to know where you guys are from. Let me know where you're watching from. I'd love to know if you're in the US, what state you're from. If you're from another country, leave me a comment. Let me know where you're from. And I hope to see you guys next week. Hope to see you all next week with more cafecito.